My pool always looks so clean and beautiful and perfect from the very far, because once I come closer, I see all the debris, I see all the hair floating around, I see all the sand at the bottom, I see all the dead insects and all the leaves floating all over it. Also, every single time guests are coming, it's always the dirtiest. Hi everyone, this is Valentine. I am an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am gonna be reviewing a combo system, a surfer, and a robotic pool cleaner by Beatbot. So guys, this is the Sora and the iSkim, and they work as a bundle. Now, owning a large home taught me maintenance is never a single job, especially a pool. So what floats on top and what sits underneath are different problems, and treating them the same never made sense. And that's why the bundle is important. Let's get started with the review. Now, allow me to start from that I really like that Beatbot split the pool into layers. The iSkim takes the surface and the Sora 30 everything underneath together as a total pool care system. They work out really well. The iSkim surfer is the one that always working on top. It comes with a huge 9 liters of a basket and a wide inlet of 29 on 270 millimeters, which catching everything from leaves and bugs to pollen and fine particles. The solar panel helps extend runtime, and the 10,000 milliampere battery gives it a long cleaning time, even when the sun isn't perfect. I set a schedule in the app once and completely forgot about it. And since it is coming with a solar panel, it keeps on recharging itself. So there is literally nothing you need to do. There is no even need to take it out of the water. If you feel like, just keep it inside the water. It works on edges and corners instead of wandering the middle. Just every corner, every little spot of your pool gets his own attention. And by the way, guys, all these robots are saltwater pools safe too. So if you are having a saltwater pool, well, Beatbot got you. Honestly, this is the part of pool cleaning I would automate first. The surface. It is what makes a pool look dirty immediately. And to me personally, let me know if same to you down below in the comments, but to me, stepping on dirt is less annoying than swimming in dirt, you know, when it's like into your face. That's why I'm obsessed with skimmers and surfers and all that stuff that cleans the surface, because to me, that's what needs the most attention in the pool. Now, of course, the bottom and the walls and the waterline also needs their own attention. And then there is the Sora 30, the deep cleaner for your pool. It handles the floor, walls, and waterline. And it is good at shallow platforms, and it can do them down to 8 inches when pool conditions allow. Now, the headline of Sora 30 is 6800 GPH of suction ability, while in plain language, it lifts heavy debris in a single pass instead of several. It carries a 5-liter filter basket with 150 micrometer filtration ability. Plus, it has an optional 3 micrometer fine filter, and it is coming with 10,000 of milliampere battery, which runs up to 5 hours on one full charge. So it is easily covering pools up to 3,229 square feet in a session. So that's a huge pool, guys. It's like a 3 levels house size of a pool. It's an Olympic. So if you own that type of a size of a pool, you're rich, and I guess you have like 10 people right now cleaning your pool that you just can easily pay them. So maybe robots is definitely your thing, so you should go check it out. So the detail I appreciate the most in Sora 30 is the smart surface sparking. So when it finishes or runs low out of a battery, it floats up, moves to the edge, drains, and waits. One tap in the app and it's out. No fishing with a pole needed. And yes, it's 2 devices instead of 1, and I was skeptical. But after living with them, I'd rather each layer be handled properly than ask one robot to half do both. The most hardest part of any pool robot test is opening the baskets. The iSkim showed what floats on the top, while the Sora 30 what hides underneath, and the 2 robot idea clicked. And whenever I test anything, I ask the same question: does it actually buy back my time and effort? For me, this one does, especially in the summertime, when I'd rather be with my family than chasing leaves before anyone arrives. If you want the Beatbot bundle, the link gonna be down below. And you know how I am about automation. Obsessed with this. I am already super curious what else can quietly handle a chore while I do literally anything else, or maybe just nothing. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. And guys, the links to both of these separately, together as a bundle, as a one-by-one product. Everything can be found down below at the description box to this video of mine, so be so very sure to check it all out. Also, coupon codes, sales, promotions, discount codes, any possible way to save some money of yours, everything can be found down below as well. All the needed information, everything you need, everything you ever wanted, everything is there. So don't snooze, because you might lose. Who wants that? No one. So guys, please let me know, how do you take care of your pool down below in the comments. Please let me know any tips or tricks that you would like to share with us. So like share in the comments, let us know. And that was actually all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all, XOXO Valentine.